Okay, so today we are unboxing our package from Formula Swiss. So it's packaged in a UPS Express packaging. And then inside we have a white cardboard packaging with a little bit of bubble wrap. And then inside we have the Formula Swiss. So it's very discreet packaging because you don't see the Formula Swiss, it's packaged inside. Okay, so the first product we're gonna review is the lip balm. So it's a pretty standard lip balm in terms of shape and in terms of consistency. So each lip balm has 50 milligrams of CBD and it is full spectrum. And it's made with a bunch of different oils, which makes it really soft on the skin. And this particular one is lavender. So it has some smell of lavender in it, but it's also very earthy as well. Next, we have some of their topicals. So this is their skin cream. There's 300 milligrams of CBD per container. And this one, just like the lip balm, is formulated with a bunch of different oils that are hydrating and soothing for the skin. Now, this got a little bit damaged during shipment, so some of our lid broke off, just because there was a little bubble wrap in here, but not a whole lot. So this is actually a glass container, which makes it nice and eco-friendly. And then inside, this is kind of spongy feeling. So it's not hard like a balm. I can press my finger into it, and it has a really earthy smell to it. It's light and it's earthy and it's fragrant. I can't quite put my finger on the exact smell. And so this rubs into the skin quite well, leaves a little bit of an oily finish. And then this is just for your skin, so topical skin use pretty much anywhere. They also include a little handout with a lot of information about CBD and about the company. So this was really nice to kind of learn more about them, their sustainable farming practices and their organic farming practices. So this was included in our package. Next, we have some of their CBD oils. So these are all 10 milliliters. So we have the 5% strawberry and the 3% just regular. Now the way that they label these, 5% means 500 milligrams of CBD, 3% means 300 milligrams of CBD. So that's how you read that. These are all 10 milliliters and they're full spectrum. So inside, you can see the packaging got a little bit torn up through shipment. There's also a little info pack in here, dosing guide. And this says it's actually recommended for topical use. So it's interesting. Usually we see CBD oils for internal use. It doesn't say not to use it internally, it's just recommended as topical. So it's a glass, child-proof top, and you can smell the strawberry as soon as you open up. So it is pretty clear, kind of yellow color. There's no lines on the dropper for dosing. And it has a very earthy taste mixed in with the strawberry. It's not artificial tasting at all. And they don't actually list what flavoring agents they use. So it's unclear whether it is a synthetic or if it is a natural. Next, the 3%. So very similar to the last one, only this one is not flavored at all. So this has a very strong classic hemp earthy smell and taste. So you can really taste those terpenes and those classic hemp flavors. Again, this is full spectrum. And then last we have the pet CBD. And so this is 1%, so 100 milligrams of CBD. And a lot of the labeling also has some of this here. So it tells you that they use supercritical CO2 extraction, full range or full spectrum, less than 0.2% THC, no pesticides, and then triple lab tested. We'll get to that in a second. So the pet CBD, this is chicken flavor. It says natural chicken flavor, but they don't necessarily specify what is flavoring, and it's a clear color, and you can see that there is lines here for dosing. So this would be an internal oil since it is flavored. You'd think the strawberry is too, but it does say topical use, so it's a little bit conflicting. Now, with their third-party testing, they third-party test 10% of their batches. They do internal testing, so they test all of their products in-house, and then they verify 10% of them. So when we were looking at our products, we weren't able to find some of our third-party lab tests, or any of the in-house lab tests for some of the products. So just something to consider. The ones we did see though were quite accurate. And that's our delivery from Formula Suisse.